My problem is in Chapter 2, Section 2, 2.3, my math lab homework exercise number 5. So the problem is, the average minimum balance required for non-interest-bearing checking accounts decreased approximately linearly from $440 in 2001 to $209.72 in 2006. Let B be the average minimum balance in dollars for non-interest-bearing checking at T years since 2000. Find an equation of a linear model to describe the data. Okay. So the first information that we got is in 2001 it was $440 that was decreased, and in 2006 was $209.76. Now the equation says since the year 2000. So first we need to find the T years. So since 2001, since the year 2000 has been 1 year, and since 2000 in 2006 has been 6 years, we could find this as 2001 minus 2000 equals 1, and 2006 minus 2000 equals 6. So this will be the 2 points that we're going to use. 1, 440 for the first point, and 6, 209.76 for the second point. Now we need to find the slope. So the slope is m equals y of 2 minus y of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. So we plug this in together. I labeled my points. This will be 209.76 minus 440 all over 6 minus 1. So this equals to negative 230.24 divided by 5, which equals to negative 46.04. That's the slope. M equals negative 46.04. Now the slope standard form is y equals mx plus b. Now we could just plug in that m in this equation. Y equals negative 46.04x plus b. Now what m, the slope, represents is the average minimum balance that has decreased since the year 2000. So there we got y equals negative 46.04x plus b. Now again, there are 2 points that we got earlier. Now we just need to solve for b. So we do this by picking a point. I pick this first one, 1, 440, and we just plug it in. Y 440 equals to negative 46.04 x, which is 1 over here, plus b. So that's 440 equals to negative 46.04 plus b. So it's just the same. So then we add 46.04 to both sides, and that will be equal to 486.04 equals b. Now what's b? B in the problem here, b was the average minimum balance in dollars for non-interest bearing checking at T years since 2000. So now that we've solved for b, we could plug in all the ones we found. We found m, and we found b. So m is negative 46.04 and b equals 486.04. So now we could just plug it in. Y equals negative 46.04x plus 486.04. But since this problem is required with different terms, t and b, we can't use y or x. So it will be a equals negative 46.04 t, that's the t years, plus 486.04. And that's the final answer.